All right. We're in a 1956 Ford Thunderbird. Good running little car. Definitely a restoration. Hopped up motor, at least a cam. Holley carburetor. We got the tack option, the clock option, which is working. The see-through odometer or speedometer. Odometer showing 90,273 miles. Got your fuel gauge, temp gauge, which looks like it's not getting a signal, but we also have auxiliary gauges here, which show we are right at, I don't know, 160, 170. Then you got your amp gauge, which probably is not connected. It's at 0. And then oil pressure gauge showing a little over 20 pounds of pressure at idle at 170. Goes up right away. Headlights work, high, low, signals work, horn works. The ducts for your feet air work. Wipers, you can hear the vacuum trying, but they are not functioning. Lighter, radio does not work. Map light works. Defrost and heat work. Then this is right air, which is just your floor foot vent, which I believe works as well. It's a hard top. There is no soft top, so it's a hard top or a convertible. You got power windows. They all work. It's got a nice muscle car sound to it with the it's either got like a cherry bomb or a very small muffler. We'll get it up in the air and get some photos of that. Other than that, I think we'll just go for a drive and let the car speak for itself. Well, I was just about ready to do our driving video, and I gave it some RPM, and that vacuum kicked in for those wipers. So your wipers do work. I'm guessing it just doesn't make a ton of vacuum at idle, but they're working now, and they shut off correctly. Okay, let's go for a drive. I love the sound of this car. Reverse, neutral, drive. Car's running great, even in this cooler weather. We're not cold yet. We're only like 35 degrees or so, but no squeaks or creaks going through those uneven bumps and stuff like that. Suspension bushings are in great shape. Shift smooth. Only rattle I'm hearing is somewhere probably behind the dash here. Either a 312 or a 292. I don't know of any visual cues that give it away right away, but I think you have to get in the engine block to kind of discern which it is. Either way, your power to weight ratio is probably better than a Corvette of the era. About a 300 cubic inch V8 and a two-door coupe with a fiberglass top and nice short wheelbase. Quite a bit easier to get in compared to a Corvette as well, as far as squeezing under the steering wheel and stuff like that. Will it downshift? Or it's already in first, I believe. I'm to the floor. No, it just ran it out in second. High. Tiny bit of wind noise over here. Could be coming from behind. Oh, yep, I see a small gap in the weather stripping there. But I don't feel draft. I don't feel any wind. That's awesome. We're showing about 2,300 RPM, running 65 miles an hour. It's not fighting it, it's not pulling either way, it's just kind of following the road. Temperature has cooled down quite a bit, just above 100. But it's cold out here. I mean, it's cold. Oil pressure is about 30 pounds. It's a fun car. So first, second. Alright, well that'll do it on this car. Go ahead and check it out at frankmanmotors.com. If you're on YouTube, give it a like, comment, subscribe, or share. Watch another one of our videos. Anything like that will help the channel, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks.